If you want to hear about the thing that I think holds most loan officers back, that's what we're going to talk about here for the next like 10 minutes.
Okay.
Quick episode.
What holds most loan officers back?
Yeah.
Making
And maybe all.
the different points.
I think it's waiting for the confidence to do something.
That's funny you say that because I think my job as a producing branch manager, I
Yeah.
tell my leadership team all the time that our job is to two things is number one is to remove excuses,
Yes.
and number two is to instill confidence
Mm.
to so they'll sell more often because I think you're right. People wait till they're feeling confident to go sell instead of being able to like overcome that.
So I think it comes from two things. I think number one, I think we have to have it crystal clear in our head that we're actually helping people. What I mean by that is like, let's say, Jimmy, you and I are running down the road and we happen to have a trailer full of tires behind us.
Yeah.
And we're going down the road and we see somebody on the side of the road with a flat tire.
Okay.
And you say, Carl, let's pull over and help them. Well, they might try to think we're salesy. I'm trying to sell them a tire. And you say, dude, they have a
Duh.
flat tire. They're on the side of the road.
They need a tire.
It's hot. Would be doing them a favor by selling them a tire, right? Well, I don't know. I think it's going to look opportunistic. I don't know. It might seem kind of weird. And that's the conversation I think that goes in a lot of loan officers' minds.
Hmm.
Like whether they're talking to referral partners or borrowers, is I hear that so often, Carl, I don't want to be salesy. Or I'll see copy. I'll see advertisements of other people. You don't want to be salesy. And I have complete confidence that any real estate agent that works with me or my team, they're going to make more money.
How did you get that confidence?
Uh, Frankly, over time, because they made more money. That when we have a real estate agent refer to us, we're going to close that deal if it's going to close, almost always, right? We're going to close that deal and we're going to refer more deals back to that agent
Yeah.
because when that deal goes and buys something else, or we're constantly asking them, can we count on you anytime a friend, family, or coworker is looking to buy, sell, or refinance? Can I count on you? Give me a call.
Because you're running the play.
We're running the play. And so when we do that, they do give us people, they refer to us people, and we find which agent that person came from. And
Give
we
it
call
back.
that person and say, hey, I just got a referral from,
Yeah, but Carl, everybody does that.
they don't.
I know.
Like
I,
everybody
I
thinks they
wrote
do.
what I wrote down when you were talking was this. Ready?
Tell me.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
They don't know how good they are.
And or they don't know how much most other people aren't.
Yeah. So the tactic is
Tell me.
listening, right? And I do this like with two or three people. So
Yep.
if you're a loan officer and you struggle with call reluctance or sales avoidance kind of thing, it's holding you back. Like, you know, call a loan officer in your market, a competitor, and just experience their process
Mm,
and how quickly they don't call you back and how
mm,
often they don't call you and how they text you back and don't like like I did it. I was an assignment that I've given to a bunch of people in our program, our coaching program, but it was given to me like 27 or 8 years ago. It was my second year as an originator and to overcome this thing we're talking about, right? And two of them never called me back.
mhm.
They never called me back. I called three, left messages. Two of them never called me back. Hey, I got your name and number for a friend of mine. I'm buying a house. He said you're great to get pre-approved with. Call me back.
Never got to go back.
Nothing.
But you want to hear something shocking?
But
Do you know what this is a real study. Do you know from lead to speaking, the client is talking, or the prospective client is talking to the loan officer. So realtor Jimmy referred me to loan officer Larry. You know how long the average is before I talk to loan officer Larry after I've called his office?
Oh,
47 hours. That's
2 days.
the average time from, we talk about this,
So I call you on Monday
yes,
and I don't hear from you until Wednesday.
yes. That's average. That was the average. That's industry wide. That's the average amount of time from the time a loan officer gets a referral until they talk to the client, they reach out to the client, is 47 hours. Isn't that crazy?
Jim Cafrini, stay in touch, don't stay away.
Mm. Hey there. Hey, if you're loving the tips so far, be sure to hit that subscribe button right down there and then tap the little bell so that you never miss out on more free, cool tips coming your way. Also, I would love to hear from you. Drop a comment beneath there. Let me know what you think or tell me what you'd like to hear next.
That's staying away.
Hmm.
How crazy is that? All the effort we do, like everything we do, everything you and I, pretty much everything we teach is about getting referrals.
Yeah.
And so you
And then
finally
and
get a
then taking
referral and you
it
take two
takes two
days to call
days.
them back.
Isn't that so as you're listening to this podcast today, understand that's average.
That means that
And
some
so
are
like
way longer.
yeah. Well, yeah, half of them are longer, half of them are shorter, half of them are longer. So, in saying that, those people that are waiting 47 hours are not doing that referral partner any favors. They're hurting them, not helping them because they're losing deals for that referral partner.
Yeah.
And then, so if you're somebody that like talk to them much, much, much faster than that,
20 minutes.
yeah, you're helping the real estate agent. And if you're helping the real estate agent, then you should reach out to every real estate agent that you know that's doing sizable business
Yeah.
and offer your service to them because you're going to help them because right now their average is 47 hours.
Something just sparked in my head. So like, who's the client in the realtor lender relationship?
Who's the client in the what relationship?
Lender realtor relationship. The
Who's the,
realtor,
with the realtor for sure.
right?
Yeah.
Because they've got the business and they're
Yeah, for sure.
so they're the client, right? And I see so this is so crazy. This might be related, but it popped into my head. I hear so many loan officers talking about how to program their realtors or think that they can convince realtors to not need or want what they want, like
Mm.
calling leads within 20 minutes, meeting them within, 24 hours or 48 hours, and having pre-approvals done within this amount of time or, whatever they want, right? So it's like, it reminds me of this book called, wow, I'm having a little senior moment here. Anyways, I can remember the principles of the book, and the principles are know what you want. The next one is know what your client wants. So in other
Mm.
words, make sure there's a match.
Yeah, yeah.
Sure there's a match. Like if you want grapes and they want watermelon, maybe there's not a match, right? But know what you want, know what they want, make sure there's a match, and then deliver plus one.
Mm.
Deliver them a little more than you said. So if you say you'll call back within an hour, always call back within 30. If you say you'll have them pre-approved within 3 days, always have them pre-approved within 2 days. If
Mm.
right, like, and you people go, oh yeah, that makes sense. Oh yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, it's called Raving Fans is the book. That's what it is.
Mm.
But what people think is that no matter what the client wants, you have to say yes. But that's not true.
Mm.
You have to be able to find matches, and then you have to consistently manage expectations.
Mm.
You know what I mean?
I do.
Underwriter says, I'll have it out by the end of the day. You know what that means? Before 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, which is not the same thing as by the end of the
It's
day.
the end of the day. Yeah. Mm.
It's not the same thing. So if an underwriter tells me they're going to have it out by the end of today, and I call the realtors and the borrower, I say, today's Wednesday, I'll have it by the end of the day Friday. And then I call them maybe tonight or maybe tomorrow morning. I got it. And I'm a hero.
Right,
Just
right. Because
by
you did it
changing
early.
just by
Hmm.
changing the words. And people go,
Hmm.
oh, that doesn't work because they're going to give me grief because I asked for extra time. First of all, they don't know you did, but they're probably going to give you grief anyway.
Hmm.
So get it all over at one time and ask for more time.
Hmm.
Ah, it just popped in my head. Like that is
So
like if you ask me one thing I did really, really well all my career to keep my
tell,
clients,
tell
that's
me.
it.
Yeah.
Double the time. Whatever
Yeah.
long it's going to take me, tell them it's going to take me twice as much, and then deliver
And
an
then do it in
hour.
half the time. Yeah. I like that. So I think so we're coming up top of the hour
Oh
here.
yeah.
So in the confidence thing,
I'm sorry, I went on a
so
tangent.
no, that was great. So I think the first thing is you have to know that you're actually helping people and you are. You're helping real estate agents close more deals, which helps them, and you're helping
Follow
homeowners.
up, refer back. Yeah.
Yeah, you're helping homeowners get a home with less confusion, so you're helping them. So you have to be confident that you're actually helping people, and then making an offer makes it way easier because you're helping people. And then number two, understand confidence happens after you do something, not before. Confidence only happens after you do something, never before. I don't have confidence before I pick up the phone. I have confidence after my phone session. After my phone session, I go, dang, that was really good. I got 3 referrals. I set up those 2 appointments. Man, that
Yeah.
was awesome. Going into it, I'm thinking to this day, I'm going, I hope I'm good enough. I hope they
Yeah.
like
That's great.
me.
Yeah. So what you're saying is don't wait for confidence to make the calls. Make the calls so that you can build your confidence.
That's exactly right.
Wow.
Yeah, don't ever wait for confidence or it'll never happen.
Wow.
If I waited for confidence, I don't know if I'd ever do anything other than breathe.
That's like I hire a new loan partner one that helps me call leads. They
Yep.
call my leads on their third day of employment, period. And
Mm,
they don't think they can do it until they call 3 or 4, and then they can do it. And then they know they can
yeah.
do it. So you're 100% right. That's deep.
Yeah.
All right.
That's it. Cool, man.
Cool.
Hey, thanks for joining us on the episode. Hey, we're doing some really good stuff on Loan Officer Breakfast Club. Come check us out. It's absolutely free. It's Monday through Friday for 30 minutes. We bring really, really, really great information to the industry. Join hundreds of loan officers in virtually all 50 states.
Yeah.
Sometimes we even get Hawaii and Alaska at 8:30 in the morning Eastern time.
Which is like 2:30 in the morning or something crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy, but it's really, really, really great information. Join hundreds of loan officers every day there with us. Go to loanofficerbreakfastclub.com, loanofficerbreakfastclub.com. It's free. We give a bunch of resources away. Come check it out, loanofficerbreakfastclub.com, and we'll see you on the next episode. Thank you, Jimmy.